Well, look what I got here. Just came in the mail. My newest table. This is the newest addition to my van, and I can't wait to show you how I'm going to use this little table. Hey guys, Nancy Faye here, Modern Day Pilgrim. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. Well, welcome back to my channel. And please forgive me for this very dirty vehicle. But it is 10 degrees out where I live, and getting your car washed is not recommended right now. So I'm dealing with it, not loving it, but that is life. Okay, so let's talk. You know this setup. I love this setup. It's my favorite setup. A lot of room up here, and I gotta tell you something. I'm really stoked because I got another little table. Oh my goodness, and it fits back here like a charm. Doesn't even hit when I close the hatch. As you can see, the hatch bows out a little bit, so when I shut the hatch, it doesn't even touch the table. This little table, I've been looking for something. I can't even tell you. I'm so excited about it. Just came today, even though it's 10 degrees. My hand is like literally frozen. I can't even contain myself, so I had to show it to you. It's 40 inches long, just 40 inches long, and only 20 inches wide. And it fits back here perfectly. It can be dual purpose. It can be used in my van, and if I choose to, I can bring it out here and use it as a table out here. It is so lightweight. Obviously, I don't recommend sleeping on it. It's just a table. It's not the most strong table, but I'm not putting heavy things on it. So this table, it's gonna be the cat's meow. I'm so excited to have it. It's just perfect for what I need. And my hand is literally frozen right now. I can't feel my pinky or my thumb. Wow. Okay, so right now it is on that setting, which is 24.5 inches. When you put the legs all the way down and they fold up in and you bring them out, that height is only 17.5 inches. And if you use that button right there, that little hole, put that button there in that hole, that's gonna be 28 inches high, taller than my bed, and I don't want that. But this butts up right perfectly next to my bed, doesn't even hit the hatch. Even though this sticks out a little bit, you can see that, it does not touch the back of my van. I am so excited about this find. I've been looking and looking and looking for a table, and I finally found one. I'm gonna have the link for it in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. My lips are frozen now. Like I said, it's 10 degrees. I can't even believe that my phone is working. Whew, I got the car running, guys. But anyhow, look how great that's gonna be. Look how great that's gonna be. I'm so excited. I just wanted to share this with you. I don't recall the price of it right now. I really don't, or I would tell you, but I don't even remember what I paid for it. I bought it like 3 or 4 weeks ago, and it came in the mail today. Anyhow, I'm gonna go in. I just wanted to show you my find for this setup. It's perfect for back there. And again, it's a dual purpose table. It can be a little table for inside my van, just to put my stuff on when I'm in the van, and I can utilize it outside the van. I could put my camp stove on it, I could eat at it. It's just perfect. And it's so tiny, look at all the space. And you guys, all of this room under here, what can you do with that? So much. You could have little drawers if you so choose, or little bins. I have a little camping kitchen. I don't know that it would fit there, but I'm gonna find out, because as soon as it warms up, I'm gonna check into that. But anyhow, that is all. I just wanted to share with you my newest find. I'm really, really excited about it. Again, it's 40 inches long, 20 inches wide, and it has 2 button settings, and then the setting which is the very lowest, where the legs fold up into the table. It has that one as well. 17 inches, 17.5, 24.5, and 28 inches tall this table can get. All right, my hand is frozen. I have to go. I will catch you later. Until next time.